At ngayon, narito na nga po ang pinakaabangang sandali. Sino nga po ang magwawagi at tatanghaling idol ko si Lolo at idol ko si Lola 2025. Handa na ba kayong marinig ang resulta?
Yeah!
Santa Cruz, Laguna, mag-ingat! Mga kaibigan, this is it. Let's now announce our winners for Idol ko si Lolo, Idol ko si Lola 2025. Our Idol ko si Lolo, Idol ko si Lola 2025 second runners-up are Idol Lolo number 2, Arnulfo Ramirez, Barangay Bubukal. And our Idol Lola, second runner-up is number 5, Telma Orfigueras, Barangay San Jose.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our Idol ko si Lolo, Idol ko si Lola 2025 second runners-up.
Ayan, bigyan muna natin sila ng moment para ma-award ang kanilang mga prizes, please. Ayan.
And the winners will be receiving a sash, crown, certificate, flowers, plaque, and 15,000 pesos in cash.
Wow! 15,000 pesos in cash!
Can I be honest?
Ano po yun?
Hindi po yun ang unang nakasulat.
Totoo
Hindi
po.
po ganon ang price talaga. Pero dinagdagan po ito. At almost half ang idinagdag. That's why naging 15,000 pesos po.
Totoo po yun. Hindi po ang original price. Nadagdagan po siya. At tatanggapin po nila yung 15,000 pesos na yon pagdating nila ng 100 years old nila. Kaya maghihintay pa tayo. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mabuhay sila hanggang 100.
Naman. Correct.
Oo. Motivation yun.
There you have it. Thank you so much, dear presenters, and congratulations to our second runners-up.
Before we announce our first runners-up, we would like to emphasize that when we announce the first runners-up, that means, ituloy mo.
Ang ibig sabihin po, ayan, may we invite po our two lolas to be in the middle. Same goes with our two remaining lolos. At maghawak kamay po tayo. Hawak kamay.
Ayan.
Ayan.
So, magandang makita na maghawak kamay ang lola at maghawak kamay ang lolo. May panahon pa po kung gusto nyo mag-out sa oras na to. Ay! Yun na nga. Kaloka. Hindi pa huli ang lahat, direct. May nag-out. Oo. Ang ibig po sabihin namin, pag inanunsyo po namin ang first runner-up, ibig sabihin, yung hindi ma-anunsyo ay ang grand winner natin. Pero pwede po ba, bigyan natin ng moment ang first runner-up na i-enjoy nila yung kanilang moment during the awarding. At tatawagin na rin po natin ang magpipresent ng grand winner. Tama po ba po?
Yes, correct. So once again, ang una po naming i-announce ay ang ating first runners-up.
And in the event that the first runner-up will not be able to fulfill their duties, it means they expire. Just hindi. Hindi. Ano, walang ganon. Basta winner pa rin sila. Kanila yon. Yun lang naman. Just lang yon. Okay? Excited na kayo!
Yeah!
Oh, tama naman. Eto na. So, ikaw ang mag-a-announce ng first runners-up. Tama?
Okay.
Hindi, yung presenter ka pala. Game, presenter ka pala. Go.
Okay, and now to present the award for our Idol Kasilolo and Idol Kasilola 2025. First, runners-up, may we have Honorable Mayor Edgar San Luis, together with Honorable Laura Obligacion, Honorable Ambiel Panganiban, Dr. Elmina Monteza, Mr. Jerome Ariola, and Mr. Herben De La Paz.
Pwede po ba, para hindi po magulo sa stage, pwede po yung tinawag, panik na po tayo, tapos pumesto na rin po tayo dito sa isang side. Okay lang po ba? Yan. Para maganda po. Okay lang, Direct Marvin? Yon. And the presenters for the grand Idol ko si Lolo, Idol ko si Lola are...
To present the award, may we call in Honorable Mayor Edgar San Luis, Honorable Tropi Tolentino, Admin Melvin Bonza, Lianaline Awarde, Ms. Cherry Sulapat, and Mr. Julius Esquilio.
Ayan, we'd like to request our presenters to please join our grand finalists on stage. Yan, para mahaba din po ang moment ninyo. Ayan na po. Okay, ready na tayo? Para maganda at makapture natin yung moment na to. Guys, if you want to post this, don't forget our hashtags. Idol ko si Lolo, Idol ko si Lola, tsaka Santa Cruz, Laguna. Okay? Our Idol ko si Lolo and Idol ko si Lola 2025 first runners-up are... Lolo, Idol, number. Sino sa tingin ninyo? Sino naman ang Lola?
Tandaan, first runner-up ang unang tatawagin.
Diba? Ang sabi ni Tina, ganun pa rin, very Lolo, Lola. Tandaan. May tanda pa rin, diba?
Diba?
Diba? Remember, ganon.
Yes.
Tandaan. Idol ko si Lolo. First runner-up is Lolo, number 6, Herminia Roda, Barangay Bagong Bayan. Our idol ko si Lola, first runner-up 2025 is number 3, Felicitas Ferrer, Barangay Pagsawitan.
And the winners will be receiving a sash, crown, certificate, flowers, plaque, and 20,000 pesos in cash. Very happy, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, our Idol ko si Lolo at Idol ko si Lola 2025 first runners-up.
And let's savor this moment. Santa Cruz, Laguna. Santa Cruz, Laguna, quiet. Put your hands together for our Idol ko si Lolo 2025. Roberto Buenaventura, Santo Angel Norte, and our Idol ko si Lola 2025, Mayra Deseda, Barangay Bagong Bayan. round of applause for all our kings and queens.